Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. Guys. You done know. Alright guys, so I have to charge my phone, so the way I set it up was kind of weird. So now I gotta look like over here instead of the way I normally look at. That way. Anyways, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a new video. Usually Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but January, y'all don't know how the things set up. Let's get down here. Oh.
Do you think with white rice? You see that? No, sir. You can't even see it. No way. Okay, this thing about to... I gotta turn it in a way where y'all can see it. See the rice. Hold on. Get my life together. Usually if I come close up. Hold on, I'm gonna figure this out.
Alright guys, so this thing not gonna work out. Anyways, I was trying, but you know, I got some to-go lemonade packet. And I got some water. I just threw some water off. So I could pour this in here. Now the country time, that's like the best flavor they have. And I have my little thing with some ice. I'm gonna just pour this on here. Ooh. No, sir. I want to the nothing not going good. No, sir. There it is. Everything. If y'all have a solution on how to deal with. Alright, so this one I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna get up close and personal. Ooh, delicious. Get a thumbnail first. Ja. See, this happened the last time I did, when I did the that cucumber. I wonder if I could flip this the other way, because I keep looking the other side. This is what happened when I did the cucumber and sausage video. Alright, anyways, yeah, so this happened when I did the cucumber and sausage video last time. Let me come up in here because I was like, damn, you could not see the rice. For nothing. For anything. Oh shit. Don't let your food fall. Guys, if I keep looking the wrong way, don't mind that, okay? And today's is all over the place. No. Here's a chicken. Now have a bite. Yeah. The Korea. The Korea turn up. I'm so glad I put the entire habanero pepper in there. It's spicy, but in a good way. Like in a good way, a curry should be flavored, should be spicy. Haven't ate anything all day, so could not wait. One thing with curry, you're gonna have to, like, I had to open up my door, my windows, turn on the fan and everything, because if when I'm cooking, I have to turn on the vent. Cause that curry thing is strong. Strong, strong, strong. Yo. Honestly, I don't even want to touch this curry because this thing will mess you up, mess up your eye. And it will definitely mess up your clothes. So if you're eating curry, wear like a darker color clothes or something that you don't mind getting messed up. Or just eat proper. Eat proper. And nothing won't get messed up. This is the potato. Yo, this size is amazing. Like, if I cut it any smaller, it would have just mashed out. Yeah, anybody can make this. If you never made curry before, curry chicken before, the recipe I'm gonna post. So easy. So easy. Anybody can make it. Woo. You know, I haven't had any curry in about 10 months. I don't know what I've been thinking. So good. So good, so easy to make. And if you honestly, I like the chicken better when it's cut up in small pieces. See, I usually just make it whole. Like if I'm using chicken leg or whatever, I just leave it whole and put the curry on it. But I like it chop up, you know, the traditional way. I'm gonna chop up the curry first. Got a piece of carrot right there, so yo, everything good. carrot turn up, potato turn up, chicken turn up, gravy turn up, rice turn up. And I'm using jasmine rice, guys. Y'all missing out. Y'all don't like no curry, baby. This drink's supposed to be zero calories, but you know. There's always a catcher. So it's probably full of sodium or something. Something wrong with it. Honestly, I feel like that hot, see? There I am looking over there when I should be looking over here. That pepper. Pepper did that. Usually I won't put a lot of pepper in my curry. And you can taste the difference. You can taste the difference. And you need a lot of spice for your curry. I'm done. Y'all, make sure, let me come up here because I'm done. Make sure y'all recreate this dish because no. What said bomb.com? I mean bomb.com. Okay. Woo! Amazing! Tag me and send me a picture if you recreated this, if you made this curry chicken. Let me know. You don't know, you can pair it up with some rice and peas, or you can put it with some boiled dumpling, fried dumpling, yam, banana. You don't know, all the good stuff. So tag me, let me know. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Okay, catch you guys on the next video. Take it easy. See y'all on the next one. Bye.